RDDT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I want to start off by saying that Reddit Incorporated just been, you know, it has its correction a little bit here, but I don't think there's like really nothing to worry about because we're still in pretty much in the range, which is a demand zone, which is fine. Now, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out 10-20x stock moves thousands of times on my YouTube channel for free. And with RDDT, the only way that I'm going to look to double down on this is just obviously the long side, like before. Since we're coming down into here, I'm just going to use the previous long side tools that I had there to here, and in this case it just ultimately means I want to see a shift and then take things up. Now guess what, doesn't mean that I'm going to immediately buy when Tuesday rolls around. Why not Monday? Because on Monday it's going to be market close, so I must see the shift in order for me to take it up, and if not, it's all cool. You know, I really have no hard feelings towards it. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.